you are an expert in payer and payer risk. You've worked with payers as your clients. When looking at the overall Republican replacement bill, is it going to be more attractive for payers, for insurers, to participate in this market?
I'd say, the devil's in the details of the market rules and how well that they are enforced, right? As we've kind of recently published on some of the pieces around, promoting appropriate enrollment, right? If you look at some of the things happening in the special enrollment period, some of the gaming with payment that's going on, there's 5 points of claims just there, right? If you talk about some of the risk pool stabilization, right, I think this is another piece which was touched on earlier, but just the very notion of providing some stability and certainty around some of those high dollar claims, whether that's through reinsurance or a high risk pool mechanism, it's those sorts of things around stability and understanding that the rules are in place and will be enforced that I think will be important for insurers as they consider whether to enter or not.